Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to switch rows and column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the data which you want to switch. So for example, I want to switch these rows and column. So after selecting rows and column, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of copy. So click on it and then select the cells where you want to insert. So after that, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of paste specials. So click on it, and here you can see the options of paste. So click the all options and then click on transpose options. So after that, click on OK. So you can see rows and columns are switched. So guys, in this way you can switch rows and column in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.